So guys, we are starting the trip now. Listening to Kishore Kumar.
मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहां गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार फले एक ऐसे गगन के तले.
So it has started raining, so just getting ready. Okay, right.
Seconds later.
So all of a sudden the rain stopped. Again heading back to regular roads. There's a long way to go for Devaramane. I'm planning to stay in Mudigere, which is about maybe 100 kilometers, maybe 120 kilometers from here. And then the next morning I'll have that beautiful ride in the fog from Mudigere to Devaramane, and then we'll see how it goes. So guys, Hassan is about some 30 odd kilometers from here, so I'll reach Hassan, maybe have some coffee there. Yeah. Google Maps is showing me this some interior road. I'm just blindly following it. Let's see. Mudigere, I'm still 100 kilometers away. Yeah, I still have some time. I think I can make it by maybe 6. I think I can make it before 6. I'm just spending some time here, just looking around, clicking photos. Yeah, see ya, bye bye. So I'm 15 kilometers away from Mudigere. It's raining all the way. So the last 50 kilometers it was raining. I think it will continue to rain even tomorrow also, looking at the weather. Just stopped here for a quick coffee. I enjoyed the ride very much. perfect weather. Not too much rain and just a little bit. I ordered a coffee here, so let's go and have it. So unfortunately my GoPro battery died. It's the other one, and even this has very less charge. I think it has about 10%. Let's see how long it goes. So I finally come out of my room to have some dinner. I think almost all the shops behind me, they are closed. Just trying to find if there are any open here. So I got a very cheap lodge and I'm staying there. Decent one. But there is only lodging, no food. So for food, yeah, I just have to search around here. Okay, so the plan for tomorrow is start here very early, like 5:30, and drive through the forest to Devaramane, which is about 40 kilometers from here. This will take up to an hour because there will be mist and fog. Hey guys, this day 2. The plan was to wake up at 5:30. It was raining heavily in the morning. I could hear the sound from my room. And so yeah, now it is 7:30. I'm 2 hours late. Still it is raining here. I knew there was a chance of a rain, so I was already wearing my rain pants, so I thought I'll wear this rain jacket later when it rains. So now I'll wear it and just ride through this rain and drive to Devaramane. Okay, so since it is raining outside and I don't want to stop anything, so I'm stopping right outside my lodge, having some breakfast. So after the breakfast, I'll ride directly to Devaramane. I will stop only to click photos or just to enjoy, but not to have any food or snacks. So that's why I'll finish everything here and then I'll go there. Okay, this place was so beautiful. Look around, greenery everywhere, and I think that there are some cranes over there, couple of them, and there's a lot of them over there. Maybe if you can see. So I opened my DSLR and clicked some photos, and now heading to Devaramane. Guys, I'm from 7 to 8 kilometers from Devaramane, and it's raining like anything. I think the last 3-4 kilometers were like crazy. So now because there is a tree, there is less rain here, and my gloves are fully wet. You can see. I don't think the rain is gonna stop. So I think I will move on. There's no point in waiting for the rain. Just look at the sky. I mean, you cannot see anything. So the rain is not gonna stop. So am I. Absolutely crazy weather. Now I'm thinking if I should wear these gloves or not, because there is water coming out from this. Okay. So I think the first thing that I'm gonna do when I go back home, buy an all-weather gloves, and I need a tank bag to support my camera or other equipment. I think it started raining again. Anyway, I'll just move on. So finally I've reached Devaramane. This is the temple, and this is the lake. My God, absolutely crazy, right? I loved it. My shoes are all wet. Look at this.
ಏನೋ ಇದು ಹಾಯಾಗಿದೆ ನೂರು ಕನಸಿಗೆ ರಂಗೇರಿದೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಆಸೆಗೆ ಜೀವ ಬಂದಂತಿದೆ ಇದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಕಣ್ತುಂಬಿದೆ ತೇಲಾಡುತ್ತಾ fallen in love ರೋಮಾಂಚನ ಕ್ಷಣ I'm falling in love. ಸಂತೋಷದ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದ ಕೂಡಾದೇನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಹೆಸರೇ ನೀನು. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕಂಡಾಗ ನಿನ್ನನು ಅದೇನು ಏನು ಏನು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ದಾರಿ ತಪ್ಪಿ ನಿಂದನೆ ಬಂದು ಸೇರಿದೆ. ಕಣ್ಣ ಕಣ್ಣ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಭಾಷೆಯೊಂದು ಏತಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಕಣ್ತುಂಬಿದೆ. ತೇಲಾಡುತ್ತಾ fallen in love. ರೋಮಾಂಚನ